Shufti Pro, true identity builds trust. The global market for facial recognition is expected to reach $8.5 billion by 2025, and UAE has been at the forefront to implement this technology. According to new law of UAE, facial recognition technology is necessary for all industries in UAE. This law by the UAE Cabinet will result in rapid adoption of facial biometric across private and government sectors. Security departments, airports, border controls, banks, and healthcare are the highlighted sectors to integrate facial recognition, just like Dubai Police introduced facial recognition in public transport earlier. Now the passenger's face will be their passport in Dubai. But it's not as simple as it seems. These industries need an intelligent solution to tackle several obstacles and challenges, such as the increasing biometric fraud rate and the inefficient face verification solution that is biased and unable to identify individuals from different ethnicities. That's where Shufti Pro comes in. Our global facial recognition system is an ideal solution to address challenges faced by UAE authorities in implementation of face recognition systems. Shufti Pro's face recognition incorporates advanced AI technology to intelligently detect forgery, 3D face masking, video replay attacks, face morphing attacks, deep fakes, photoshopped images. Our facial recognition is trained using thousands of AI models and real-world data. It helps organizations to accurately verify individuals and eliminate biased decisions. Know more about AI-based face recognition systems in UAE. Talk to our experts and get all the information you need, or visit our website, www.shuftipro.com. Shufti Pro, true identity builds trust.